feels good, and I give thanks to the coach and the players also for giving, especially the coach for giving me the opportunity to play today. I don't underrate any team. I feel like every team has their own way of playing and they are good. So the way we approached the game was really good because we don't think they are playing the third division or not. So yeah, they are a good side, but I would say we are better today. But I was just kind of scared of my, it's like a fitness level, you know, when you haven't been playing. I think you know, it doesn't matter if you're playing third division team. They are always like a good side, and it's like a very difficult game because they are also like kind of low. So, but we came through in the second half, so that's the most important thing. Yeah, it is really. Like I said, I haven't been playing, so I haven't been playing a lot, and it's my third game for Beveren. Yeah, so it's really good. Looking forward to the next game of the league. Great pass from Kelvin. Yeah, he's gonna find you when you run. So I just saw Danny, and then I gave him.